Hi, Daryl Jones with the Daryl and JJ Jones Real Estate Team. Got some great information coming up and a hot new listing showing up at the end of this video. Stay tuned, watch for it. City of Fullerton, great information. Currently, right now, there's 94 homes on the market in the city of Fullerton compared to last month at this time, 104 homes on the market. Compared to last year, 144 homes on the market in the city of Fullerton. And also, you want to look at pending. So in escrow, last year, 106 properties in escrow at this time, 2019. Today, 173. Enormous, huge increase. And in closings, 2019 September, 114 closings. September 2020, 141 closings, sales in City of Fullerton. So as you can see, real estate market is hot as a baker's apron.